Guys, we got some pie crust going down right now. And we're just gonna roll one on out. Got a little melted butter going down. Just a little bit on the inside here. So we're gonna add a little cheddar jack in there. Oh, make a mess if you can. Guys, I really wanted to use American cheese on this recipe, but I know how y'all lose your mind when we get American cheese on my recipes. So we're gonna not do that this time. So we're putting a little of the egg in here. I just scrambled up 3 eggs. So just get that kind of spread out. When I say kinda, I mean spread it out. We got some chopped up pre-cooked bacon. Okay. Some might call them bacon bits, if you will. But this isn't the stuff you like throw on your salad. This is me chopping up bacon I cooked. Now we got some sliced ham, little deli ham here. This is gonna be a meaty little roll up. Everybody's gonna love these. We're gonna use my jumbo muffin tin to make these. I'll put a link in the comments for my jumbo muffin tin so you guys can grab one if you want. And this is just some cooked sausage. Okay. We're just gonna roll this up on itself here. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have to do it so tight. I'll pull it closer to me here. Some's gonna fall out. It's okay. I'm gonna cut off the ends here. We'll set these aside. And I'm gonna cut little 1-inch slices out of it. The last 2 will be a little bit bigger. Okay, slide this back. Don't worry about the mess, guys. We'll clean that up. Now, this is the jumbo muffin tin I was talking about. I've already greased it down. Sprayed some avocado oil in there. Guys, I'm using pie crust for these because honestly, that's what I had. But if you guys want to get some of that crescent roll sheets and drill it out like this, or even like pizza dough, you can do that too. All right, and through the magic of television here, we're all cleaned up. I got my melted butter here. We're going in with a little bit of maple syrup. Just give this a mix up. Gotta have a little sweet with that savory, you know what I'm saying? Just brush it over the top. There we go, looking good. Yeah, we're gonna get these in a 400-degree oven. We're gonna go about 15, 20 minutes. We wanna make sure the dough's cooked all the way through, right? And we're nice and golden brown and lovely, right? I'll see you in a sec. All right, team, our breakfast pinwheels are done. Gotta get it out, get a bite. Whoa, there we go. Flaky crust, beautiful breakfasty inside. Let's get a bite. Guys, this crust is everything, but if you don't want to use a pie crust for this, use whatever sheet dough you want. But I tell you what, no matter what crust you want to try, you're gonna want to make this. Because baby, you know it's good.